Hello there, this is your English teacher Dahana. Today, we are going to learn demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. And then, you will have to choose some right answers just to check your understanding. But first, let's give some definitions. What is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun used to represent some specific people or things. Use this for someone or something nearby you. The singular is this and the plural these. Example, this is an apple and the plural these are apples. Use that for someone or something far from you. The singular is that and the plural those. Example, that is an apple and the plural those are apples. And now let's see the demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are adjectives that are used to modify a noun so that we know which specific person, place, or thing is mentioned. If it is near, use this. Example, this apple is delicious, but the plural, these apples are delicious. If it is far, use that. Example, that apple is delicious, and the plural, those apples are delicious. And now, let's check the right answers. Number 1, girl is beautiful. What is the correct answer? A, her, B, this, C, those. The correct answer is this. Good job. Number 2, students are bright. What is the correct answer? Those. Good job. Number 3, tea is hot. What is the correct answer? This. Number 4, room is big. What is the correct answer? That. Number 5, answer is correct. What is the right answer? This. Good job. Number 6, is a nice movie. What is the correct answer? This. Great. Number 7, are my black shoes. What is the correct answer? Those. Great. Number 8, classrooms are huge. What is the correct answer? These. Good job. Number 9, don't forget to subscribe not to miss any details. Now let's keep on. Number 9, take over there. What is the correct answer? That. Good job. Number 10, cake is so delicious. What is the correct answer? This. Congratulations. Now, can you make the difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns? If so, write some sentences in your comments just to help others too.